Dr. Rakesh Sharma, Professor, Department Organon of Medicine and Homeopathic Philosophy, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. My today topic is administration of homeopathic remedy according to various editions of organ. So we can say this part comes from posology topic. Posology means is the doctrine of doses. Doctrine of doses. Dr. Hahnemann published 6 edition of Organon, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. And in every edition, he makes some changes to make Organon better version of the Organon, better version of the homeopathy, so that we can remove our mistakes and easily select the similimum for the patient. So according to 4th edition, here I want to start from 4th edition and up to 4th edition. Here I want to mention also, this is wait and watch method. Up to the 4th edition, physicians only prescribe medicine in a single dose and wait and watch for the action of the remedy in the patient. Suppose 200 potency, 1 dose prescribed for the patient and wait for 4 to 6 months. This is very big time. This is very large time. During these months, patient is uncomfortable because sometimes there is the chances of the homeopathic aggravation, some medicinal aggravation of the case. So this is a very inconvenient method for the patient and also physician. So this is not applicable. In Organon, Dr. Hahnemann mentioned about the ideal of cure in the second aphorism, in which he says homeopathic cure should be ideal, rapid, gentle, permanent cure. But according to the 4th edition, when wait and watch method is applied for the patient, these ideal cure are missing. We did not get our mission ideal rapid cure. So Dr. Hahnemann disregard this method in the 5th edition of the Organon. This method is called the split method. In this method, Dr. Hahnemann advises only 1 and 2 poppy seeds globules are dissolved in 120 ml of water, and we have to prescribe patient also on the daily basis, also on alternative basis, also on weekly basis also. These criteria depends upon the sensitivity of the patient, susceptibility of the patient. Some patients are hypersensitive, some patients are hyposensitive, some patients are normosensitive. So these criteria depend upon the sensitivity of the patient. Like the calcarea type patients, these are hyposensitive patients, so we have to prescribe them daily doses for the medicine in hyposensitive patients, and some hypersensitive patients there is no requirement of daily repetition of the doses. Only weekly repetitions are advisable due to the hypersensitivity of the patient. So this is the method from 5th edition, which is called the split method. Now the 6th edition, according to the 6th edition, that is the LM potencies are introduced. And this is the most upgraded version of the prescribing of doses of homeopathic remedy. So, according to the 6th edition, LM potencies are only advisable, and the method is same like the 1 and 2 globules of LM potencies dissolved in 120 ml of water, and same criteria of taking the medicine according to the 5th edition. Thank you.